Hi, I'm Anthony, and this is Ray Smell Big. Today we're going to make mini pizzas. Here's what you'll need: mini pepperoni, cheese, sauce, and pizza crust. First, you'll open the pizza crust. First, you're going to unroll it and cut the squares. Make sure to cut them into little pieces so they can fit in the tray, because we're making them like muffins. And stretch it out so it covers the bottom and a little bit of the sides. Now you're going to keep doing it until you fill up the pan. We used the mini muffin pan to make it look like muffins, but you could use a bigger one because it'll probably fit better. You found an easier way if you just squish it with your thumbs. Now we're going to put a dollop of sauce in each cup. That's good. Now we're going to put some cheese into the cups. Now that we got the cheese in, we're going to put the pepperoni. We cut it into little pieces so it may fit better. But you could do yours however you want. Now that we got the pepperoni, we're going to put it into the oven at 400 degrees for 6 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. It's so easy, my little brother's going to do some.
Yeah, good job. Cheese. Okay, sauce first.
Oh. No, now you put these. These. Yeah. Now you put in this one. No, right here too. Right here too. Okay, now you put that one like that. Well, no, you put it like that.
Here's our pizza muffins or mini pizzas. Like and subscribe and watch the next video.